Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account linked to the ads you'll inspect. Once signed in, go directly to the Ads Transparency Center via the account menu or a quick site search. Make sure to enable any requested permissions for viewing ad details. Without them, you'll see limited data. Next, set your region and language filters to match the campaign you're analyzing, because that narrows results and speeds up later searches. Now you're ready to search for specific ads or advertisers. You'll now run focus searches using advertiser name, visible ad text, or creative ID. Once you see results, apply date ranges, geography, and platform filters to remove noise. This helps isolate the relevant creatives quickly. Click any ad snapshot to inspect the full creative and landing page. Read declared funding or advertiser verification details to understand trust signals. As you review, take note of matching audiences or repeated ad variations. Those finish by exporting the ad data or capturing screenshots for your records and compliance review. These artifacts matter. Next, verify the advertiser's declared identity and the owning domain to confirm legitimacy. This step explains discrepancies between creatives and landing pages. If you can't find expected ads, clear your cache, reapply filters, or open the center in an incognito window because cached settings or account scoping often hide results. If problems persist, switch accounts or document the issue for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.